Hello, hi, how are you? Today's discussion point is what is the benefit of population. I want to say about what is the advantage and disadvantage of overpopulation. You know, India is a largest populated country in the world. Here, here youth are more than another country's youth. So when our youth become a powerful tool in our economy, it is a question for us. If our youth will become educated and skillful, they understand the better ideas for doing a service in around the globe. They understand the artificial intelligence. They enhance the ability of different types of skill like marketing, education, healthcare, engineering, architecture, so many more types of skill around us. Also, they can express themselves as a global language leader. They can understand better world. They become a very strong power of our country also. No doubt our youth are doing very well worldwidely. They are serving around the globe. Some are doing work in the IT sector, engineering, healthcare, management, and so many areas, businessmen, and so many areas they are doing their work across the world. But it is not enough for us. If our more and more youth will become educated, will become skilled in future, so our growth will reach more and more. So it is our prime responsibility. You do hard work, you do smart work, you do more and more good types of work. Invest your time, use your time appropriately, educate itself, also acquire different types of knowledge around the globe. Then our country's progress will boast. Very soon will become a developed nation near future. Otherwise, if we not invest our time at present, we will suffer a lot. We are facing a lot of challenging within the country as well as within the globally. We have not value-based education in our mind. We should take such types of responsibility. What types of thing we are doing around the globe, around the country, around the state. What is our prime responsibility? What types of knowledge we can acquire? What is the advantage of such types of thought inside of our mind? What types of act we are doing? What is the reaction of that work as well as that thought? So advantage of population. When the population become educated, they understand the value of democracy. How democracy, what is the responsibility of citizen of our country? What is the value of democracy? Why democracy is the best government policy in the world? So how democracy will become a more powerful tool for our future generation? And what's our responsibility for a nation, for itself, for our family, for society? And what is our responsibility for a humanity? So we know we were a Vishwaguru in ancient time. Around the globe, people understand our country, people leading a lot worldwidely. they have a strong ideas before. They know everything. They have a strong power for humanity as well as value-based education also. They respect every peoples around the globe also. They know such types of philosophy. But nowadays, what is happening around us? We should improve our knowledge. We should improve our skill. We should improve our quality of life as well as we should our thinking process. It's required. You do better and get better after all. So it's our advantage if our youth will study continuously. They achieve target. They will become skillful in future. So definitely we will become a powerful country across the globe. Otherwise, in such types of we are want only marks while I'm studying on the class, while I'm studying in universities. Only marks is not enough for everyone. If you achieve any types of skill, then that skill become a very powerful tool for earning something in future. So marks is also very important for everyone, but with marks you acquire a skill, you acquire a knowledge, you use a skill, you use a knowledge. What types of value of that skill in your life? What types of value of that knowledge in life, in a future life? So do you it, then it will become a more fruitful. Otherwise, marks is not enough in while I'm studying, while I'm learning something, while I'm achieving something. So marks not evaluate everything. Marks not evaluate everything. But if we will become a skillful, will achieve a target, that target will become a powerful tool in near future. Thank you very much. Give comment, feedback. If I express my thought clearly, if understand what I am telling in front of you, please give me advice. What types of thought I should talk in front of you also. Thank you very much.